Hi everyone, welcome to Allu Srinivas Math class. Now we discuss another concept in compound angles. First we have to remember formulas of compound angles, then we easily solve the problems. The question is sine 15 degrees. Find the value of 15 degrees can be written as known angles. For example, 45 minus 30 or 60 minus 45 degrees. 15 cannot be written as 50 minus 35 because of does not have values of 50 and 35. So we write the suitable formula sine of a minus b. You know the sine of a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Compare this here, angle A is 45 degrees and angle B is 30 degrees. Substitute in standard formula sin 45 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus cos 45 degrees into sin 30 degrees. We know the trigonometric values of sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. And multiply two fractions, numerator into numerator, root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 into 1 1 2 root 2, and LCM of two fractions is 2 root 2. First one is root 3 minus 1. That is the value of sine 15 degrees. We take another problem in this method. Find the value of cos 75 degrees. So first we have to write the given function cos 75. 75 can be written as sum of known angles. For example, 45 plus 30. So write the suitable formula, cos of a plus b. The formula of cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is a standard formula of cos of a plus b in compound angle chapter. And compared to this, here angle A is 45 degrees and angle B is 30 degrees. This value is substituted in standard formula cos 45 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 45 degrees into sin 30 degrees. The values of trigonometric functions cos 45 is a 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Multiply two fractions, numerator root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And LCM of two fractions is a 2 root 2. The first one is the root 3 minus 1. That is the value of cos 75 degrees. Next we take another problem. Find the value of tan 75 degrees. So tan 75 degrees can be written as 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Degrees plus 30 degrees. Write the suitable formula for this problem. We know tan of a plus b form. The formula of tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is standard formula in compound angles. Compare to this, here angle A is 45 degrees and angle B is 30 degrees. Substitute values in this formula, tan 45 degrees plus tan 30 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30. The value of tan 45 is a 1 plus the value of tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3 is a 1 by root 3. And LCM of numerator in numerator root 3 plus 1 by root 3 and root 3 minus 1 by root 3. And root 3 cancel in numerator and denominator, and remaining is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. And then rationalize the denominator. Because of the denominator has a irrational function. So we have to do rationalize the denominator. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize means we take opposite function, multiply by numerator and denominator. Apply the numerator is a plus b into a plus b form, a plus b whole square, root 3 plus 1 whole square. Denominator have a plus b into a minus b formula, root a square minus b square, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is the root 3 square minus 1 square. A plus b whole square, apply this, a square plus b square plus 2ab, denominator is a square minus b square, 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. And 2 cancel in numerator denominator, and the remaining is 2 plus root 3. That is the value of tan 75 degrees. So as well as tan 15 degrees is 15 degrees can be written as sum of known functions 45 minus 30 degrees. We apply the formula is tan of a minus b. So the value of 2 minus root 3. Thank you.